we fancy like Applebee's on a date night. Got that Bourbon Street steak with the Oreo shake.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. And this Dollar Tree haul actually has two categories, and that's it. Socks and Easter items. One of my cousins had asked me to pick up some socks for her. Where she lives, there's like one Dollar Tree and they don't have as much stuff as we tend to carry around here. She asked me to pick up socks for her. She had watched the Crafty DIY guy. Absolutely love Jamie, he's awesome. And she had sent me the link and asked me to pick up the socks that he had on the video. Well, I have those socks and then some. So let me go through those socks and then, ooh, the exciting Easter stuff. So I did pick up 2 pairs of each. That's what she wanted. So these are all men's socks, and these ones I'm showing you first are all juncture and men's size 6 to 12. These ones are the dinosaur. I'm going to try to go quick. These ones are a cup of coffee or tea, something hot. These ones are the football ones. And then this one says, keep calm, I'll fix it. These are cute with the flamingo. These are great for a luau. Then these ones with the reindeer on them, or yeah, deer on them. Here's the football. These would be great for Super Bowl. Here are the basketball ones. Here is a fishing one. Then we have the bears in, well, there's mountains and trees. Ooh, this is a cute one. Beer mug. This one is guitar, peace sign, heart, birds, and the golfing one. I found 2 kinds of these, but again, I bought 2 of everything. So this is a 2-pack. And it comes with this one, and that's the bottom of them. And the other one is a solid black with the blue stripe bottoms. They both have the blue stripe bottoms. And then they came in a lime green. And this one has some turquoise and purple and black in it. I really like these ones. One is mossy oak, and this is the only ones I've seen that were mossy oak. All these ones right here are gold toe, and the gold toe ones are anywhere from normally $8 to $10, I believe, a pair. So there's those ones. There's these ones with anchors, and it looks like different flags. Yeah, so this one says $8 on it. And here's another pattern. Very nice, I like these. This one has the anchor on it. And these ones were $7. Here's another one with the beer mug. And this one, the price is covered. I can see it through there though. These were $8. And, oh, looks like I have another one like this. Now, the exciting Easter stuff. I'm so excited. So I found these 13-inch gnomes. I found them in 3 colors. I believe that's it. That's the only 3 that they have. There's the pink, the light blue, the Gnome bunnies. They're so cute. And the purple one. They have the beanie bottoms. So there's the purple, the pink, and the light blue. Those are so cute. Then I found the little guys, and these ones are about 5 inches. And these also come in 3 different colors. They have the gray cap on this one with the blue body. And then we have a gray body with a purple hat. So cute. I can't believe I'm buying Easter stuff already. Can't believe it. Then we have the teal green with the gray body. So these are the three that I found. And if there's any more colors than the three, just comment down below and let me know. This is for my husband. He loves white chocolate. This is the Palmer peanut butter filled white chocolate egg. And there on the back you could do a to or the from. This is going to be long gone before Easter. I found the Bubblegum Machines, and there's two for Easter. I still have not found the heart ones. I'm still looking for the two. But here is the bunny with the pink bottom. I don't know if you could see the face. And then the blue one has the egg on top. And sixlets, honestly, well, with the heart one, I know that people have said the sixlets fit in there good. See, the hole is not really that big. So I suppose if you found like a mini bubble gum or these sixlets, I would definitely think that fit in there. This is so cool. Easter grass, and the way it comes out of the package like this, and you just shake it and look at how it comes out. So cool. So cool. So I bought it. I only saw the two colors. So let me know if there's any other colors besides yellow and pink. It says 600 inches, fills one 10-inch basket. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so I did purchase some of these carrots. These are the smaller of the two sizes that I found, and they are jute carrots. These ones measure from top to bottom 5 inches, and you get 6 in this pack. Then in this pack, these from top to bottom are 6 inches. I said 5, right? These ones are 5, these ones are 6. So these ones are a 4-pack, and same thing, it's like a foam carrot wrapped in orange jute. Okay, so a few more Easter items that I was very excited about. So these are the Kraft Eggs, and there are 1, 2, 3 different sizes. Here, let me pull the biggest one first. These are the biggest ones, and they come in a package of 6, and these are about 3 inches, I believe. Then they had the package of 8, and I think these ones are 2.5 inches. I measured them all earlier. I should have written it down, but I believe these are 2.5. And then these ones are 2 inches, 1.5 or 2 inches. And there is 12 in this pack. Comment down below if you've used these before or how you would use your eggs. Then these two, oh, so exciting. They have 8-piece little bunnies. These are so, I'm going to take them out of the package because they're probably easier to see out of the package. They are so adorable. Look at that. How cute is that? Those are so cute. So cute. And like I said, this one has 8 pieces in it. Then we have this guy. Look at this. So this is a 1-piece, obviously. He's a bigger bunny. So cute. So cute. Here we go. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him yet, though. Then I purchased some wood cutouts. This is the egg. I really like, it's like a whitewash on here. I really like that. I'm not sure if what I'm gonna put on top of this, if I'm just gonna put lettering or use some of that cricket paper I was talking about, the pink and the purple and stuff that I hauled. I might use it on these. Here's the chick, again with the whitewash. I really like that. And the third one is the bunny. And I was just thinking about maybe putting that paper on here, the purple glitter, and then a cottontail so it looks like the back of the bunny. And last but not least, this is the back of a bunny. How cute is that? I might paint this one, I'm not sure. But that's the end of this haul, the sock and Easter haul. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification button. That way you are notified every time I put up a new video. And let's get to the price part. So what I paid was $37 without tax. And at Walmart or Amazon, it would have been $225.89. That's huge. That's a big difference of $188.89. And again, that's why I love the Dollar Tree. Until next time, everybody, bye.